some people comes and says कि आप ये देशभक्ति की फिल्म मत करो या ये इतनी क्यों करते हो, क्यों ना करें, क्यों ना करें.
I like all the songs. I like all.
ठीक है, एक ही दिन पहले प्यारा जो ये पूछते हैं कि आप सुबह सुबह उठ जाते हो, तो बेटे मैं कब उठूँ.
The real heroes and the real heroes are aligned on the fact that this film has substance and has the truth and realities. My name is Sonal Kalra and welcome you all to HTCK Star Film City. We have our most favorite superstar here with us, that is accompanied by Veer Paharia Boykeo to promote their upcoming film Skyfall, and we hope to have lovely interaction with them on the film. Have the promotions thus far been hectic, or is it a relaxed promotions?
No, it's been a very relaxed one. Promotions are very, if it is done in a different way, like how HT does it, so it's always relaxing.
The HTU Mahmood we Okay, so they're all very excited. I think the trailer was fabulous, and it does tell us that it's a real story of bravery, of courage, of the 1965 war. So हर फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट में ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है जो वो एक चीज़ जो है वो आपको yes कहने पे एकदम से it inspires you से. So I want to ask both of you, what is that one thing about Skyforce which immediately in your mind made you say yes?
So, ma'am, yeah, the first thing I think that drew us to the script was the fact that it was a true story. बहुत कम एयरफोर्स फिल्में बनी है जो एक सच्ची घटना पे आधारित हैं, तो ये एक ऐसी फिल्म थी. और बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट अनसंग हीरोज़ ऑफ द 1965 वॉर, एंड इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द यूथ ऑफ टुडे टू नो what happened in that war, because not much is written in books and on the internet. So that was something that really drew us.
So this is, yes, about 1965. We both are playing real characters. He's a very rebellious kind of a pilot. तो जब war छिड़ती है तो क्या होता है, how he goes to save all of us, and he goes inside Sargodha, which is a part of Pakistan. लेकिन इतना कुछ हो जाता है, can you believe it? Everybody had declared him as a traitor. This is a true story. Everybody had declared him as a traitor. 23 साल तक किसी को नहीं पता था कि actually में he was a hero. And मेरा किरदार है to, I was his senior, he was under me, and मेरा किरदार ये है कि हमारे उसमें लिखा है कि I pledge never to leave one of us behind. That this whole pledge should be in your real life also as a motto. Chahe with your friends, with your family, with your parents, it should be very important. We pledge never to leave them behind. So उसी हिसाब से, एंड आप लोग विश्वास करेंगे 23 साल बाद इनके किरदार को सरकार ने महावीर चक्र दिया था, because they realized it that what they did, what had happened was wrong. And आप सोच सकते हैं कि it can be very, दिमाग हिल जाता है कि अगर आपको पता चले कि आपके पिताजी ट्रेटर थे एंड सब ये बोलते हैं. हमने तो दीवार पिक्चर में देखी थी, वो सिर्फ एक अमिताभ बच्चन के हाथ में लिख देते हैं तेरा बाप चोर है, तो उसके हिसाब से कितना पूरी पिक्चर उसके ऊपर बनी थी. सो उस हिसाब से, सो द होल फिल्म इज़ नॉट ओनली अबाउट वॉर, इट इज़ अबाउट what happens to the family, what happens to everybody, children, wife. So this whole thing.
अक्षय कुमार जैसे स्टार के साथ पहला शॉट जब हमने दिया होगा, of course I'm sure you will have come mentally prepared to face that moment. It's another thing altogether when you actually get on to do it. On a scale of 10, how nervous were you, and how did that first shot with it go?
Firstly, I think I was 11 on 10 nervous. And it's a normal feeling, with such a huge superstar to face the camera. And we had a very, very important scene, first scene we did. बट आई थिंक जब हम अंदर गए देन सर ने कहा सब भूल जाओ, आई एम एन एक्टर, यू आर एन एक्टर, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव टू प्ले एंड रिहर्स एंड मेक द सीन आवर्स. तो salute to sir for making it so easy and comfortable for me, for a newcomer like me. And I think the way we were flowing, we tried to bring our originality. He was also taking my energy, I was taking his energy, and then it became a beautiful journey in this film. So yeah, very good.
Stars थोड़ा सा कैटेगरी हिसाब से लेकर आ रहे हैं. आप जल्दी आ गए. You're setting new benchmarks in discipline. So when you
We were very eager to come.
So when you were shooting, did he also did you shoot very very early in the mornings? Was there a fitness thing that he made you do? I think in between shots he also makes dual play and workout and all that. Did you do that?
Yeah, we did it all. We used to. We also shot a lot in the night. But sir हमेशा warmed up रहते थे और दौड़ते थे वहाँ पे जहाँ सेट होता था, तो उन्होंने मुझे भी बहुत दौड़ाया. पर बहुत मज़ा आया. I followed his routine. I think a very good influence is there on me, and I would like to urge everybody that fitness is the only way to be, and this should be your life, and you should always focus on your own health, because health is your only wealth. Yeah.
Yes.
No, I want to. It is important. Health is very, very important. मतलब मैं तो काफ़ी मीडियाज़ को भी जानता हूँ जो ये पूछते हैं कि आप सुबह सुबह उठ जाते हो. तो बेटे मैं कब उठूँ? ये नहीं समझ में आया इस कि हाउ कैन एनी क्वेश्चन बी लाइक सुबह सुबह उठ जाते हो? आप जल्दी सो जाते हो?
Also, did it require any kind of accent change करना, where whoever you're playing, उनके लिए was there any different from how you speak in your usual? Did it require certain preparation?
I think the challenging thing for us was the Air Force terms, because they talk very in less words.
Specific.
Yeah.
Very specific. They speak in a very proper language and not too much attached to it. Just a normal person, we add masala to it. They just talk.
Point.
Yeah. Ready at 4 hours. That's it. So that kind of language we had to use.
Where on did you shoot for this?
We shot in Hyderabad, we shot in London, we shot in Bombay,
Sitapur,
Lucknow, Sitapur, and
Jaisalmer, they shot the tape.
Delhi.
Jaisalmer, yeah, a few places.
Yeah, quite a lot. Yes.
Actually, your dad's been in the army, as we know. You come from a political family. Is there somebody in your real life who would have inspired you towards armed forces in general, which kind of helped in playing this character?
Right. So, like you mentioned, I come from a political family. My grandfather, who has a career in politics, from 1965 to 1971, he served in the Maharashtra Police. So it's during the duration of this film as well. And I made a collage last night of me in the uniform and him in his khakis. And we looked like twins. So yes, he was my inspiration for this role. And I think I brought a bit of him to this, yeah.
So family की बात करें तो मेरी टीम ने मुझसे कहा था कि वीर से पूछना कि जानवी कपूर also played an Air Force officer in Gunjan Saxena. So nearly family. Did you get any tips from her?
So I think she's very talented as an actress, and she has played a real character in Gunjan Saxena. There was a biopic as well. So yeah, any of my friends are actors, I always I don't miss out the chance of asking them for any advice, and she's pretty experienced. So yeah, I did take a lot of advice.
Akshay, I have a question. Of all the people, maybe because you are a very approachable person, maybe because you don't shy away from giving answers, तो लोग ना ऐसा लगता है जैसे सारी दुनिया आपको ज्ञान देने के लिए रेडी रखे. तो सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ है कि कोई कहता है एक्शन फिल्म्स ही करो, कोई कहता है एक्शन ही कॉमेडी ही करो, कोई लव स्टोरी करो. तो ऐसे मेरे बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि बायोपिक्स बहुत हो गए, रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज बहुत हो गई, देशभक्ति बहुत हो गई. ये फिल्म को साइड करने से पहले ऐसे कुछ कंसर्न्स दिमाग पे आए थे कि लोग फिर से गए कि एयरलिफ्ट तो चली थी बट ये भी देशभक्ति अच्छा है?
क्या था एयरलिफ्ट क्या?
जैसे एयरलिफ्ट आपके लिए बहुत चली थी, but should you be doing the same genre?
It's not about the same genre, it's a different story. There's nothing similar about Airlift, or there's nothing similar from Rustam, there's nothing similar to any other story. And it's a true story. I always feel I'm so lucky to get a chance to play so many characters. In so many characters. Matlab, I consider myself, God has been so kind, I got to play twice. Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva. So, itne bhagwan bhi maine kiye, I have played. So, what else can I ask for? And if something, such a lovely story, if I'm getting an opportunity, you think I should miss on it? Because some people comes and says कि आप ये देश भक्ति की फिल्म मत करो, और यार इतनी क्यों करते हो? क्यों ना करें? क्यों ना करें? If something you are, I'm telling you, he got this opportunity, and मेरा mic बंद हो गया. He got this opportunity to go and meet इनकी जो किरदार है उनकी वाइफ से जाके मिल के आए. ये बेंगलोर गए थे, and he went and met her. She's 90 years old. And let me just tell you one thing here. He was, you won't say क्या हुआ?
Honestly, it was an out-of-body experience because the whole film is from the point of view of, you know, his character who is the leader of the squadron,
Yeah.
and the wife. और फैमिली पे क्या बीतती है जब तुम्हारे जो हस्बैंड है या फादर है वो नॉट ओनली रिबेलियस और ट्रेटर कहे जाते हैं देश और फोर्सेस से, बट आपको पता नहीं है कि वो ज़िंदा है, क्या वो कैद है, क्या वो गुजर गए हैं, यू हैव नो आइडिया. तो एक जो वो एक लैक ऑफ क्लोजर होता है, वही एक इंसान को इतना इम्पेशेंट कर सकता है. आप अभी सोचिए, अगर आपको पता नहीं है कुछ बाहर, एवरी सेकेंड विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. यहाँ 23 साल गुजर गए थे. तो मैं तो एक स्टोरी से तो बहुत अटैच हूँ 3 साल से. तो जब मैंने उनके दरवाजे पे देखा मिसेस देवैया, तो मेरे तो आँखों से पानी निकलने लग गया. एंड शी स्टिल हैज़ दिस पिक्चर्स जो इंटरनेट पे नहीं है, किताबों में नहीं है. शी हैज़ दैट मैगजीन फ्रॉम 1988 which was a year after he got the Mahavir Chakra, the photos of her receiving it from the president. So it was just a
So, one more thing I would like to say now, she received Mahavir Chakra after 23 years. And this is one thing which we both dream of. What happened was, वो Mahavir Chakra अभी कुछ साल पहले किसी ने चोरी कर लिया. तो हाँ, जब घर वो शिफ्टिंग कर रहे थे तो किसी ने चोरी कर लिया. So this is through your platform, through your this thing, I'm urging the government, if they can give him back the Mahavir Chakra, that'll be the best thing we could say. That's all. Let me say that if it can happen.
Bhagwan really hopes that if these people have felt so dashed by the story of late squadron leader Demayya, then I'm sure रूही family को आप लोगों के through अगर ये साकार दे दे तो nothing like it. We'll also try to get your message across. We shall just up the reader questions now, because these are winners of contests that we have run. Javed Akhtar has the first question. Javed Akhtar को नाम के लिए ही select करिए.
Muslimin believe that what by anybody, what is hired to make this movie, Los Angeles movie, and what all these takers that are making vote on this movie.
जावेद साहब, अभी तो ये जवाब दिया. जावेद साहब, आपके नाम के हिसाब से हमने सोचा आप कोई कमाल का क्वेश्चन आपने यही क्वेश्चन
Because you are in the industry of long time, you are the head of Hollywood now. So we newcomer, I mean the industry, and it's not easy for anyone.
Like I said earlier, you know, I practiced, I've trained in acting for many years, and I have a lot of experience behind the camera. So when I met Sir, he you know, approached the scene as an actor, and wo sab, you know, all the air and all, nothing is there in the room when the shot is going on. So I think that was easy, and that's how we made the film. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is by Adar.
हाँ, तू भी फिर वही पूछ ले.
पूछता, मेरे को बस ये पूछना है कि लाइक एज वी नो कि आप फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट हो, और इवन दो सर ने भी बोला, अभी सर थोड़े से नर्वस भी हैं, थोड़ा सा लग भी रहा है। मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि आप अपना डेली लाइफ का जो आपका फिटनेस लाइफस्टाइल है वो कैसे कैरी करते हैं, क्योंकि आपकी मतलब आप ऑलमोस्ट मेरे फादर की एज के हो, मतलब
और उससे हो इनसे भी बड़ा ही होगा मैं, एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट।
दैट वाई टेलिंग यू आपकी, अगर वो मेरे को इस वीडियो में ये जो देख भी रहे हैं तो पापा देख लो।
2-3 चीज़ें बड़ी सिंपल होती हैं, एक बार नहीं कुछ मैं 3500 बार कह चुका हूँ, फिर कह देता हूँ। एक तो सुबह जल्दी उठो और रात को जल्दी सो जाओ। 6:30 बजे से पहले खाना खा लो रात का, और उसके बाद कम से कम 8 घंटे ज़रूर सो। एक शरीर को 8 घंटे बहुत चाहिए ही होते हैं। हम अपने क्या होता है, जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं हमारे माता पिता हमें कहते हैं जल्दी सो जाओ बेटा, सोना पड़ता है, सुबह उठना पड़ता है, स्कूल का होमवर्क करना होता है, या फिर सुबह उठ के जाना पड़ता है। फिर पता नहीं क्या होता है, हम जवान हो जाते हैं, फिर हम बेवकूफ़ों वाली हरकतें करना शुरू कर देते हैं, फिर हम क्या करते हैं, उस आदत को भूल जाते हैं, फिर हम सोचते हैं हम बहुत बड़े हो गए, हम बहुत ज्ञानी हो गए, और उस सब चीज़ों को छोड़ देते हैं। फिर आहिस्ते आहिस्ते तोन निकल आती है, उसके बाद हमारा बेड़ा गर्क होना शुरू हो जाता है। तो मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जिसके अंदर आपको यही चीज़ मिलेगी, सुबह उठो, कसरत करो, खाना सही टाइम पे खाओ, सही टाइम पे सो जाओ, सही टाइम पे उठो, काम मेहनत करो, 8 से 10 घंटे ज़रूर मेहनत करो। और चाहे कोई कुछ कितना भी बोलो कि तू बहुत काम करता है, किसी की बात मत सुनो, काम करते रहो, फोकस रहो, एंड दैट्स इट। और सेहत से बढ़िया कोई चीज़ नहीं है। मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आज हमारे हिंदुस्तान में सबसे ज़्यादा पता प्रॉब्लम काय की है, पूरी दुनिया से ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हिंदुस्तान में है डायबिटीज़ की प्रॉब्लम है, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है, और सब कंट्री से सबसे ज़्यादा हम उच्च स्तर पर हैं when it comes to health. We require healthy environment, we require people to be healthy, and that's it. So that's what I just want to say. And आप तो अच्छे खासे हेल्दी लगते हो। कितने हो, 12 साल के? 27. Very good. You're a good 27, man. Very good.
Akshay Puri has the next question, please.
Puri.
So I think the chair. I just wanted to say what. So my mother DP, she's like huge fan. Yeah,
Also, इसको कई my voyage and my family would definitely go for every of the movie due to education also. But coming back to my question very quickly, so post-COVID, there's one thing that we're seeing, sir. It's franchises, it's sequels. So what plans do you have to throw a light to all your fans who are very excited? What plans in terms of these sequels and franchises, sir?
So I don't make plans. I just think, I work, and I just don't work on ki mera. I don't have to think about what is the future going to be. I'm absolutely living with present. And what is happening today, I'm more confident about that, more focused on that. And about films ना बेटा, ऐसा है कि you never know what is going to run. आज आप sequel की बात कर रहे हो, अगले टाइम जब मैं इधर आऊँगा and if you are there, you will say सर sequel चल नहीं रही, फिर कुछ और होगा, ये नहीं चल रहा. So it all depends on public's mood. Today what they want, tomorrow something else they want. It keeps on changing. But we don't know. I am doing films because I like those scripts. I'm very happy with what the product is, between what has happened between me and him. We have made this film. ये कोई sequel नहीं, but मेरे लिए it is an important aspect that the audience should watch the film because they will understand what an Air Force officer went through, what happens to their family. हमें क्या है, हम आराम से घर बैठ के समझते हैं कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट जो उनके परिवार के साथ होता है वो हमने इस फिल्म के अंदर दिखाई है. लेकिन ये बस सीधी सी बात है, ये कोई सीक्वल है. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
अक्षय का बहुत सारे आपके फैन क्लब्स ने ऑनलाइन क्वेश्चंस भी भेजे अभी डोंट हैव टू मच टाइम बट एक आध मैं जस्ट एवरीवन वांट्स टू नो अबाउट राउडी रांधोर 2 whether it's getting made.
No, even I want to know. Ajay, dude, such a thing. Dude, I want to know because अभी तक कुछ नहीं पता.
केशव ने पूछा है कि दी एंड हमने 2019 में अमेजॉन सीरीज अनाउंस किया था इज देयर एनी होप ऑफ
It's a very difficult thing to. They're still writing it.
एंड एक चीज़ तो सबने पूछी है वो हेरा फेरी की बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस ऑडियंस ऑल्सो आया था कि आपको
Yeah, Hera Fairy. We are in the process of it. I think if God willing, this year it should start.
In fact, Bhoot Bagla ke time Akshay is there is a reunion happening with Paresh Rawal, Priyadarshan, so it's
Just with Priyadarshan ji, it was going back to school for me. I was, and because I've learned so much from him. He's one of the person there. I learned a lot of comedy, how timings matters, how what happens. So that's it.
Alright, so we're going to play a very, very quick and small game with the both of you, which is an expressions game. We just have to answer to an expression. You're the actor. Okay.
Just do तुमने खेला ही नहीं कभी नहीं खेला.
Take करके. Okay. So there is a news that says Akshay Kumar's Instagram captions are written by his wife Twinkle Khanna.
Captions are written by.
By his wife पे क्लिक करना बोलना नहीं expressions दो.
ये कभी मैंने गेम खेली. तू क्या एक्सप्रेशन से करना? ये क्या मेरा? हाँ? Is it true or not? तू सोच ले. ये ऐसा लग रहा है स्क्रीन टेस्ट हो रहा है मेरा.
अच्छा मैं भी
वीर पे आ जा वीर. वीर आई एम नॉट गुड विद दिस. मैंने कभी खेला नहीं है.
Veer Pahadia was Varun Dhawan's body double in the area.
So I'll reply in emojis.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to reply an emoji.
Write your expressions, not your words.
Reply. Oh.
Where?
I was. That's it. All I had to do.
For that song, मैं वापस आ जाऊँ. Akshay Kumar's team's salary is sometimes more than his co-star's salary.
What?
Akshay Kumar's team's salary is more than his co-star's earnings. Salary.
My salary is more than. My salary is more than.
No, your team's salary.
Is more than the co-stars. Yeah.
Akshay sleeps only for 4 hours. She spends 1 hour in the morning alone with himself. Akshay Kumar never writes anything on a page unless he first writes Om on it.
बस यही emoji है.
The expressions complete the message. Okay, on a serious note, we have a very, very special guest and we wanted to give it as a surprise to these two. So, guys, you also should all be very proud to know that we have amongst us, if not one of the more than the most decorated Indian Air Force officer, Air Marshal Remote Chief, only twice Veer Chakra winner in both the IT. So this Sarvodha operation on which this film is made, he was also a participant in this Sarvodha operation directly or indirectly, but around that time. And accompanying him is Air Vice Marshal Sushant Datta. He's a big round of applause, sir.
You know, it's very important before Air Marshal Bhatia, he was mine commander-in-chief in Western Air Command, which takes care of the entire western border and parts of northern body. He has been CNC of 2 other operational commands. We have won all the 3 places we have worked together. He is a genuine war hero. A movie which Akshay is so good. Akshay need to do the Sarvodha operations. You can see on the net, he has done actual airstrike in mid-air next to that airfield, he was also part of the planning insert. He was a young flight crew. I was born in 65 and he was really doing the operation. So that is the difference. And even subsequently in 71, again he got a Veer Chakra for fabulous operation.
Wow.
Very good. IERB justice.
Kunal, sorry,
Not at all. In fact, sir, टिकटिंग I'm sure war के लिए आपको बट मुझे ना आपको लेजर जी से शक्ल मिलती है you. I've just been looking. Have you been there? You know this sideshow you feel.
He is actually called Sunil Dutt in Air Force. Sir.
So basically, I think the question was 165 wrong?
Yes, sir.
As to how it goes. So, I can speak it.
जी पिछे बुद्धि.
So basically, and we all know that, Pakistan, whoever was eyeing to do sandwiches in JFK. And this was one of those things where they started off by creating trouble up in JFK. And Operation Gibraltar was launched, and when an attack failed, then they launched the war against India in 1965. And their forces were trying to cause to take over our bureaus. When it started, in retaliation, we opened the front on the international border, and we went all the way up to Lahore. And that's the time when Army and Air Force, they joined together and they carried out the operations. Our operations were, of course, as you know, basically it's counter is like hitting the enemy airfields and destroying whatever is right, and also taking the bomb. And also Army cooperation, that means in the battle area or tactical area, with the back battles to give support to armies where what we call close air support. The major function that we do. And one more thing I'd like to say is that we also carried out interdiction. Interdiction means that you go and strike their lines of communication, and so that the forces cannot move from one phase to another, talk, and they move their reinforcements and so on and so forth. Both in Nepal and as the so these basic operations carried out. Well, what I divided off was one very basically there was a thing that when we were going towards Lahore or Hami are talking about, that there was a great scene that HQ Canal, you might have heard of it. It's a canal in the across the border in western part of Iran, where they also use it as a line of defense of the ground. And when our forces were moving towards Lahore, there was a great fear that they would shut the canal. And we were given a task to go and do something about it. We were told that there was a barrage on the river Ravi. Now we the one we closed it to Pakistan and goes from the Lahore. We were told that you should go and attack the barrage so that the water can't flow south of the river. We were given that task after previous formation which had got there. They came back and they said we have top order there. So we went there. I don't believe it. We also put up at the designated place for our camp, and we found that the river wells, it's just river, nothing else. So where is the barrage? With them we decided that we will go up to the border and follow it up to Lahore and see which way it goes. And we did that. But we reached Lahore and we found no barrage. And we kind of came back, we looked at the Shilu Canal, and then we found that the canal basically was going under the river. Wow. So then we realized with the barrage pajamas and underground
Tanu.
So we attacked at both ends. There were waterworks or headworks, and we attacked those. And the results were positive, and Chulip Kimat was not flooded.
No.
So my film Skyforce is going to release now, and as you know, it is about 1965 war, and Veer is also there with me, playing a role, very important character. So I would like to tell Sonal, like HT always sends somebody to watch the film, and as a critic, the person says it. So why don't you try this time from the original man? That he becomes your critic.
Does the review.
He does the review of it. And you did great answer because he knows it. Nobody can be better than him, that he knows the whole war upside down, and I said, completely, so he will be the
I
perfect.
can say it will be an honor, and Rishabh, who's our official film critic, is here. Rishabh, make sure you take Ginny sir with you. So the technical actual, हम आज तक as reviewers ये सुनते आए हैं कि reviewers को खुद फिल्मों के बारे में बनानी तो आती नहीं है, तो वो कैसे review करेंगे. अब हम बिल्कुल expert लेके.
अब ये जो कहेंगे वो सर आपको पर.
Also from one Bhatia to the other. Yes.
But tell me, sir, when you used to start flying, when you used to go for any kind of sortie, when you used to go in 1965, when you were new, what was your first thing which comes in your mind?
Well, I must say, I was too young to that, to have some very raceful views. It was, actually, we look forward to carrying on mission.
Okay.
It was great fun as well.
So you used to think it as you used to take it as a game, as a play, as a, like हम तो आजकल यहाँ कभी तो नौजवान सारे जो वो वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं. So what was that your video game?
I must tell you that I was 3 years old.
Okay.
And that time when we went into 65 war, I was to wish in 1962. And for us youngsters, we were not the decision makers, at the scope. We had the squadron commander, we had the flight commanders and all that. We used to fly as wingman. But basically, with the kind of responsibility given to us, we're number 3 and so on and so forth. And at times, as solo. Yet you go alone to carry out missions like photo device. So it was a great fun for us. We never thought of very when we went into war in 1971, things were different. I was a little serious now. I was a squad leader at that point. And it was a slightly different group of people, essentially the same. So it was good fun for us. We lost people in the sense, some people were shot on it, and there were losses. But it was all part of the game.
Did you know about his characters?
Sir, squadron leader A.B. Devaiya.
Yeah, I must tell you about the squadron in the Darwaya. You see, basically, we were actually in a place called Adampur.
So you were posted in Adampur? You were part of the Tigers?
No, I was in the sister squadrons.
Okay.
Tigers were number 1 squadron.
Yeah.
We were in number 8 squadron.
Number 8. Okay.
We were called pursuits.
Pursuits.
And in his days, he was a purifier. He had come on attached to the squad as an ex-Ristrepai. And when the formation took off that they went towards Sargoda, he went alone. He was actually a standby, but he took off and he went. And even the squadron commander who was leading the formation towards Sargoda didn't know that he was there, he'd come. So he went behind him. And to that he encountered, he was alone over Sargoda, he encountered and shot down a starfighter F-104.
I'm very eager to show you this film because this is exactly what we have made.
Okay, you said he did the film.
I'm very, very eager. And
At the end, what is in the props, this thing, he will also shot down.
And it got reported much later.
23 years, 20.
Yes, that he got revalidated much later. Then he became a hero, and then we went back to the government to get all the Mahavir Chakra. So
It took many years actually. So some of us knew what happened to him. He was a nobody knew what happened to him.
Yes.
But it was much later that actually a Pakistani writer who actually wrote about it, and he said that he had shot down a
sir, you are revealing my whole film. So the whole film is just for me, sir. Very soon आप ही स्क्रिप्ट लिख के दे दो सबको.
That's so very wild, right? That is how it happened.
Everything, 99.9% we have gone through it. Everything. And we are waiting for your
Reviews there.
reviews and your stars. How many stars do you going to give us?
Well, now
Yes, certainly, I'm looking forward to it.
the real heroes and the re-heroes are aligned on the fact that this film has substance and has the truth and reality. So we would urge all of you to watch Skyforce and then just to end this session on a high note because entertainment वाली जगह पे आए हैं, so there is some HTCT fever के लोग which are going to ask Akshay V to join them into Rang.
तेरे हाथों में है हाथ सारा क्या क्या जानू रे मेरे हीरो का डांस क्या है मैं भूल गया चल करे अब मेरी दूरी ज़मीं आसमां मेरा तेरी आंखें बनी ये क्या भी रंग